Hey everyone, welcome back to the WordPress YouTube channel. My name is Valerie and today we're diving into a practical tutorial on how to create a new template in block themes. Whether you're new to WordPress or looking to streamline your website design process, mastering custom templates can make a big difference. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced WordPress user looking to extend your skills, this tutorial is designed to be easy to follow and packed with valuable insights. So let's jump right in. Before we begin, I want to let you know if you're new to working with templates, we have a comprehensive tutorial on our channel to understand what templates are and how to edit them. The link to it is in the description box below, so you can watch that video first. And today we're taking it a step further with a focused guide on creating a custom page template in block themes. So, whether you're building your first custom template or looking to refine your design skills, you're in the right place. So, to enter a template editor in your site dashboard, go to Appearance, Editor. You will be taken to an interface showing a preview of your site and a sidebar where you can navigate between your templates, pages, patterns, and other aspects of your site. So we click Templates, and when you open the Templates sidebar, you will find a list of existing templates. From here, you can use the plus icon to add new templates. There is another way you can add a new template. The link Manage All Templates at the bottom of the sidebar will take you to the Detailed Templates screen. Continuing the topic of existing templates, the list of available templates depends on which templates already exist, including any you have created and any that come with your theme. For example, your site can have only one front page template and one 404 template. So they won't be displayed in the drop-down menu when you try to add a new template. But you can create an unlimited number of the custom page and post templates. By the way, if you have plugins that introduce custom post types, they may also appear in this list of available templates. And now I click the Add New Template button. For example, using my theme, I can add a custom page template, author, date, tag archives, and single item post templates. In my case, if I decide to create a new page template, I will be able to apply it to a specific page on the site, as the default page template is already defined by my theme. Selecting author, category, and single item post allows you to create a single template for all the post types or a specific template for a certain post type. And this is helpful, for example, if you want to show a grid of posts for a specific category, but not change the default list style for others. I want to create a custom category template, so I select Category Archives, and a new dialog appears with two choices: All Categories and Category. All Categories is for creating the default category template, and this is used as a fallback when a more specific category template does not exist. And Category is for creating a custom template for an individual category. Selecting this option will open a new dialog listing all the categories on your site, and if your site has more than 10 categories, the dialog box will also show a search box, and you can search by category name to find the one you are looking for. So, and once you make your choice, you will be taken to the template editor where you can design the layout of the template. You will be shown an option to start the template with content from one of the existing patterns on the site. And this means you can start with content already in the template or start from scratch. This time I'll go for a ready-made pattern. With its help, I'll be able to design the layout further by adding or removing blocks from the template. So here on the right, we see the structure of the template. As we see, the template has a header, footer, and sidebar. And by viewing the structure, you can see the customization scope available to you and plan your edits accordingly. Knowing the template structure upfront saves the time by guiding you directly to the sections or blocks that need modification. And editing a template without understanding its structure can lead to unintended breaks in design or functionality. And one more tool that helps us work with the structure and blocks is a list view. And let's say I want to delete a header. The current header has a mega menu, but for this template, I need a header with an ordinary menu. So after deleting the current header with the mega menu, I can start building a new one right here in the template editor. Otherwise, by clicking on the plus icon, I search for the needed template part that I had to create in advance, or it can be a template part that your theme provided you with. So I use my theme's one more header option. Okay. And then I drag and drop it to the top where it's meant to be. Excellent. Next, by clicking on that group block, I find the archive title block that I want to get rid of. Then I move on to the next group block with columns nested inside it. And this time I'm customizing a post template by changing the number of columns from 2 to 1. On top of that, I can change the footer or I can delete the sidebar. But at this point, I'm satisfied with everything. But I want to remind you that this template is provided as an example. Feel free to build and customize your templates in any way that suits your needs. You are encouraged to make changes according to your preferences. You can modify the layout, colors, and content to match your unique style and requirements. And as usual, don't forget to save your new template. Now, let's see the result. Perfect. And when we get back to the templates, we see a newly created template already in the list with the rest of the site's templates. Before we begin diving into how to create a custom page template, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on future tutorials and tips to enhance your WordPress skills. Creating custom templates lets you use a different design or layout from the rest of your website, which can significantly enhance the site's functionality and design. And this means you can create a page or post template with a unique header, footer, or other page elements. Your site can be tailored to specific needs and goals. You might want to create a custom template for an event, a landing page, or different types of blog posts, or even have unique styles for different pages on your site. It's worth mentioning custom templates can be applied to any post or page. Today, I'm going to create a custom template for my site's landing page. So when adding a new template, I choose Custom Template from the drop-down. After that, I give my custom template a memorable name and click the Create button. And this time I'm going to start building my template from scratch. So when creating a new template, you can add a header containing common elements like a site logo, site tagline, and navigation, a content block to display your page's content in the template, and a footer containing copyright text, your site title, and contact info. But as I already said, I'm going to create a template for the landing page. A landing page can be designed without a traditional header and footer, especially if the goal is to focus visitors' attention on the offer or action you want them to take. And there are some reasons why you might consider omitting the header and footer. So the first reason is to minimize distractions. Headers often include navigation menus, as I already said, and links to other parts of the website, which can distract visitors from the main message or call to action on the landing page. The second reason is to increase conversion rates, and by removing navigation elements found in headers and footers, you can guide visitors more effectively towards completing the desired action, like signing up, downloading, or making a purchase. Then, a clean and focused design without a header and footer can create a more streamlined and visually appealing layout, enhancing the overall user experience. And on top of that, fewer elements on the page typically mean faster loading times, which can reduce bounce rates and improve SEO performance. However, it's important to note that the decision to exclude headers and footers should align with your specific goals for the landing page and the overall user experience you want to create. In some cases, elements like logo or minimal navigation might still be beneficial, depending on the context and purpose of the landing page. That's why we always recommend testing and iterating based on user feedback and analytics to find the most effective design for your specific objectives. And since I decided not to add a header and footer, all I have to do is to add a group block, select a layout for it, and then insert a content block. Now a couple of words about the content block. The content block is an integral part of your site's template for displaying the content you input in your posts or pages. Think of the content block as the area that manages what appears on your pages and posts, and modifying the content within this block directly isn't possible. It automatically displays the appropriate content for each page or post, depending on the template you've selected, and consequently, if you remove the content block, the template will not display any content for any pages and posts that use that template. And finally, we can save changes. Again, after we get back to the templates, we see a newly created template already in the list with the rest of my site's custom templates. To apply the new template to the page I planned, I go back to my site's dashboard. Click on Pages, hover over a needed page to edit it, and next to Template, click the template name, and after clicking a pop-up will appear. You'll see several options. You can preview and edit the current template. You can create a new one. Yes, it's possible to create a new template from here too. This is one more way. And moreover, from here, we can swap templates. So I click on this option and then I select the template I've just created. Next, I just click Save Draft to see the preview of the page first. It's better to do this before publishing the page. And this is the final look. And remember, when you modify a template, the editor automatically updates the blocks across all pages and posts that utilize that template. These updates override the template files bundled with your theme. To wrap up, today we've walked you through the step-by-step process of creating a template when using a blog theme. We've covered all the essential steps, from understanding the structure and components of templates to designing the layout by adding and customizing blocks and ensuring consistency. Now you can confidently use templates and apply them to pages and posts to enhance the look and feel of your website. Remember to experiment with different blocks and designs to find what works best for your content. And if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials on mastering blog themes. Thank you for watching and see you next time.